So again, I've set the position. This is our flow from the buffer. This is our return. This is like pulling back from the return to the buffer from the heating system. And this is our flow out, back out into the district main. So what the two bits we want to blend is this and this. As it's requesting hotter, it needs to turn that way to block off this. And then it gets hotter, so it gets the full 80 degrees out of the top there. If it's requesting cooler, it's going to start mixing, you know, and it will just vary what it needs to mix that way. So as it's cooler, this needs to turn anti-clockwise. As it heats up, it turns clockwise. I've just tested it, and it looks like it's working the right way. The white sleeve slips in there. That engages with the saddle on here. Again, you can see just a little chamfer there is the side that's showing which way the saddle is hitting. So at the minute it's blocking off that, so that is flowing around. That's in its cool position. Turn it around like that. You can see the little chamfer is pointing down, so it's blocking this off, so it'll get full temperature out of the buffer, and it will just vary it accordingly. That just goes on. Usually you might have to like put it on a couple of times to get it in the right position, so that it is, you know, maybe again there's actually it's got a switch in this as well, which is why that cable is there, which I believe is centralizes it. So if we turn that to 45 degrees, that is turned around, and you can hear the click when it clicks in and out on 45 degrees. Is there. That will just go on. Take that off. Take that off. That's a manual. That'll go on there with the little white sleeve, bolt in, and then that should be rotating between those two, and be rotating the right way. Yeah, so set that at 45, like so. I'll put that little red sleeve on. So that is basically that should be it, and then just test that you can see the flow temperature when you've got the valve on there. You'll see that flow temperature going up and down accordingly if we've got a nice charge in the tank. There we go. Right. So I think that's about it really. So that's hot air. Stops it. So yeah, so that's our 45 degrees. So set it to be about there at the minute if you want, just to manually get us away. Over blend. Okay.